Hi, and welcome to the course on forecasting models in Excel. It is important for marketing analysts and managers to accurately forecast future sales. Sales forecasts drive decisions involving manpower planning, production scheduling, inventory management, etc. In this course, we will explore how we can use analytics to forecast future sales and revenue. Let me give you a brief overview of this course. You will first learn the regression modeling technique using which we establish the relationship between different predictor variables and the variable whose value we want to predict. Once we know the relationship, we can predict the values for any new set of predictor variables. Then you learn how to estimate the trend and seasonal aspects of sales and generate forecast including these effects. We also learn how to include the effects of special events such as holiday sales, match nights, etc. Then we learn two common extrapolation forecasting methods like moving average method and Winters method. Winters method is an exponential smoothing method which includes trend and seasonality effects. In the last section, we also cover techniques to forecast new product sales. It is difficult to forecast when we have little or no historical data. The S-curve can be used when we have little data, and the famous Bayes diffusion model can be used to predict product sales even before the product is launched in the market. All these forecasting models are actually used by marketing analysts and consulting firms to forecast future product sales and revenue. Since we are going to create all these models in Microsoft Excel and it will be pretty advanced level of Excel, we have included some basic video lectures on how to use Microsoft Excel also. In the course, we will understand the concept and analytics behind different forecasting models and develop an intuition that which model works where. The concepts would be taught using a presentation such as this one. Corresponding to each theory lecture, there will be a practical class in which we will learn how to build that particular model in MS Excel. These practical classes are going to be very interesting and will definitely be something that you won't find in any other online course. You can see that the course curriculum is pretty comprehensive with topics ranging from basic to some really advanced ones. Be assured that at the end of this course, you will be feeling confident in logically building your own custom forecasting model for your business scenario. So if you're ready to learn, we are happy to have you and see you in the next video.